Hi, and welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making peanut butter balls. This is a great form of candy or treat if you want to have for a party, the holidays, or whatever, and it's really simply made. You need 1 pound of powdered sugar, 1 stick of butter. Break your butter up by squeezing it with your fingers. You're going to need to actually break it down in size. Then you're going to need to add 12 ounces of creamy peanut butter. If you want to, as an option, you can add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. You don't have to, but it will give it a little bit of a different taste. It just helps sometimes. It depends on how much you like the taste of the peanut butter. So once you get everything in the bowl, here comes the nasty part. You can't really mix this with a spoon. You're going to have to do it by hand. So I suggest taking some of the powdered sugar, getting it over top of the peanut butter before you start mixing, so that way it doesn't really stick to your hand as bad, but it will stick to your hand. Once you get it all mixed together, and I do mean mix it thoroughly, you want all the powdered sugar to be mixed up into the peanut butter. You want to take it and shape it into balls. You're going to do this as large a ball as you want. They don't have to be huge, they don't have to be small, but try to make them all consistent if you're serving them at the same time to a group of people. So what you need to do is put some wax paper on your counter beside your bowl and just start rolling the balls out. In a bunch of this mixed up, you're going to get a lot of peanut butter balls. Usually I would say you're going to get over 20. This used to be one of those recipes that my mother made every year during the holidays, and everybody loved these because they're great finger food. You just grab and eat on them, whatever you want. Once you're done getting them put into balls, you're going to want to roll them in powdered sugar. Make sure they're very well coated because it does absorb a bit because of the grease from the peanut butter. The oil within it will actually eat up a little bit of the powdered sugar. And once you get them completely rolled out, you're going to need to refrigerate these. They do best probably if you leave them overnight in the refrigerator, but if you had about 3 hours to have them in the fridge, that's probably a good time before if you wanted to do a quick serve of these. So here you have it, peanut butter balls. It's great if you have a fixation for peanut butter, or just if you want to have a thing for a party. It's really great to have. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like, please subscribe to the channel and come back and see new videos.